What's up, night shifters? Welcome back. Market up or down? Market was down today. For people who know me in real life, I'm talking about this gap here, and damn sure it filled. So um, it's a happy day for the public account here, and we have opportunity. So let's check out the brokerage account, and we didn't sell anything. We actually have profits here. Not sure why that didn't sell. Oh, good P&L for the day. It's barely in profits, getting ready to sell here. But we have 6 positions, tons of cash. Let's follow the trading plan. So first step of the trading plan, write it down. Is market up or down? If the market is up, turn the damn phone off. Be done with it. But the market's down today, so we have opportunity, and we need to make the most of it. So checking the brokerage account, we're going to try to buy the stocks we already own in order of equity from smallest to largest, as we have here. So we're looking for Gentex and NOG on the screener. So we'll prioritize those first. There's Gentex. Little auto parts. PEs are good, under 15. We've got dividends and no debt at all, basically. 23.12 for Gentex. Now we get to use math as our market advantage. And I'm not trying to get onto a different stock because this one didn't work. I'm using math as an advantage so that my average cost comes down without overextending my account. And we'll win. So we still have the PDT troubles, so we're going to cancel our sell order here. Remember, I'm trying to keep the buy positions to 1% of my total account, which would be about $24. So only one share here. I don't do partial shares when I trade because I like to sell with a limit order. You can't do that with partial shares. Come on, man. It's going to be one of those days, huh? Another Monday. Alright, 23.12, only one share. Let's get woke up and execute this thing so this video doesn't take forever. Limit order good till canceled, extended hours. Checking the confirmation screen. 23.12 and ship it. Alright. I filled 23.12, all good. NOG and CNXC are the next ones. You can see this gap filled as well too. See all this space? MNOG, CNXC, I think was on there, right? Yep, CNXC. Concentrix. Low PEs, got dividends, debt is high, but it is under 4. Looks like 39 flat. As they try to advertise me here. I don't care that it went down. That doesn't make me nervous. A lot of stocks is how you feel and how you react to it. I'm excited. And if anything else, worst case scenario, this thing over time goes to 0. My dividend yield just went up, and I will collect some dividends on the ride down. So, in a weird way, you can look at it as if the position just got safer. That's why I look at it. 39 flat. Limit order, good till cancel. We extended hours. We're going to ship it. Alright. Back to what we have here. We have MO, Civi, and INGR. MO, Civi's not in there. And we have INGR, so we'll do MO first. Because in profits, that does not matter. It is starting to smile up, but we have low PEs, high dividends, no debt. MO. Good price, 57.31. And it does not matter that the price is higher, so keep that in mind. Just following my system and winning. It's exciting to have opportunity. Of course, we will potentially have the how to hack the PDT video. We're gonna get. We already got one fill, so that video will happen. Let's go ahead and cancel our sell order here. Computer's lagging. If you're still here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. We're trying to grow things here. I'm not too worried about a bunch of strangers figuring this out, but makes it a little easier for people that I know to find me. Limit, get to cancel, 7 hours. It should fill immediately. 57.29. We got a good fill there. We'll take 2 cents cheaper. INGR is the last one of the stocks we currently own. Then the next step of the trading plan will be the universe of stocks, right? You have all this written down. That's not your first video, is it? If it's not your first video, why don't you have it written down? Come on. Low PEs, dividends, low debt. 107.40, and look at the cliff it fell off. Holy cow. 107.40. And that does not bother me at all. It left a gap above, and that will fill just as the gaps below do. So it actually makes me feel even better. A little pin bar. We are doing it live. It's exciting. There's a lot of periods in the market where there's not much going on. So when there's something to do, I get excited. It's very fun. 107.40 limit order, good till cancel. Extended hours. Yeah, but if we overextend, we'll figure that out. I understand how this works now with the cash sweep and all that, but I don't like it. So we'll do what we do. Next step, universe. These are the highest of quality stocks, and it's important, especially during a correction. We're not in one yet, but during a correction, you want to buy the higher quality companies. If you have the same dollars, you could buy a company you never heard of, or you can buy a Procter & Gamble. You want the Procter & Gamble. Not hard to figure out. None of these are on my universe. Let's check out page 2 here. And if I miss one, I wake up exhausted, so it's what it is. None of these on my list either. Which goes to show you we're not in a deep correction, as I just said before. So next step, we'll just go alphabetically. We'll just go down here and crank them out. PEs, you add them up, divide by 2. Dividend EST is blank here if you see that. So I'm not interested. Cheesecake. PEs, dividends, debt is a little bit high, so I'm out on the cheesecake. We took Concentrix already. We got DTE as a utility. PEs are too high. I'm just immediately looking for a reason to not take the trade. FDC. PEs are too high. Go through in your own time too. And if you want to pause the video now, PEs are too high. You can just write the list of tickers and write buy or no buy. And you can even write a reason why buy or no buy. And then you can see what I think here. Low PEs, we got dividends, very low debt, 4022 HNI. Again, just one share, trying to keep position sizing to 1% of the total account. And we're going to rip these in. And you know, if you're new to the markets and you think, well, I'm sitting in all this cash, it's just total waste and all this other stuff. My money is not working for me and all these other stupid things. This is why you want money for when opportunity like this happens. And this isn't a huge opportunity, but I'm going to have enough liquidity to buy basically whatever I want. Because the worst thing is you have something that fit your system and you didn't have money to buy it, and then you have to watch it just go to the moon. It's a pretty horrible feeling. Got Hormel here. PEs are too high, just barely. Needs to come down more. Kimberly-Clark, that's in my universe. I missed it. PEs are too high. They do paper products. KMPR. We've got dividends, low debt, low PEs. KMPR 43.75. I'm working this computer as much as it will work. 43.75. Limit order good till cancel with the extended hours. I'll just keep moving along. Little PNC Insurance. It's not going anywhere because it's the law, which is a weird law to have. Levi Strauss. 0.08 over. P's are too high. That's a frequent only trade. But gotta have the right price. P's are too high here. Shows you a lot of stocks are still, in my opinion, overvalued. This is the one that was trying to buy Hershey's out. P's are too high. Couldn't come off of $3 more billion, which is funny to even think about. There's low PEs. Dividends are kind of crazy. Debt is very high. OKE, oil and gas. There you go. PEs under 15. Big dividends. Debt is high, but it's under 4. OKE 64.31. limit, good till cancel with extended hours. Also remember that volatility is a trader's friend. So when we have volatility in the markets like this, uh, it's a huge opportunity. And if you're new to the public account and you see, well, every video is kind of boring or whatever, we're fixing to get some activity. Pitney Bowes. It's barely, the PE barely fits here. No debt, dividends, PBI, 958. We have some math to do. We're going to take 2 shares. At 958 will make us 1916. Keep us under our $24 limit. And eventually all of our transactions will be that way. We'll have to figure out how many shares, and that will slow the growth of the account, but it's nothing to be worried about. It will make it more safe, in my humble opinion. 58 limit till cancel extended hours. And something I've had to deal with as my main account as the position sizes get even bigger. 958, good fill. Is that you'll get partial fills, and that is very annoying, but that is part of increase in size. Pool. P's are way too high. On to page 2, we're knocking it out. Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. PEs are too high. Bring it down some more. People say, oh, the market is coming down. Well, not enough. Keep it going down. This one's barely over 2. So a lot of these, if they had another bad day down, would fit the system. But the system is keeping me safe and out of these companies that are, in my opinion, overvalued. PEs are good. Dividends good. Debt is very high, but it's under 4. SLGN 3861. This is one we just took, right? You can shear sheep many times. So get your damn shears out and let's cut. It will always floor me why people don't do this. It's only a few minutes a day, but I get excited every day to do it. And I'm happy to share it with you, so thank you for joining along. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. I've got some other products too that I do in my main account that I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I don't know if I'm going to put them under membership or not. I just don't want them to confuse people I meet in real life. We got Cisco. This is the food one, not the tech one. PEs are too high. T-Mobile. PEs are too high. Wolverine, this is typically one we go with. PEs are a little high, so the market's just a little high, in my opinion. You can see a good swath of different sectors, too high PEs here as well, and that is the trading plan. So, big picture, as we come back here, the market is not down. It's technically down for the day, but in the big picture, we're just going sideways, right? So the ceiling, that was the ceiling here, we can't get through, is now the floor. And that is normal price movement in the stock market. So if this is helpful to you, remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. This is what I'm doing. I'm a normal guy working in the factory, pulling money out of the stock market and totally outperforming it. Just trying to show folks that average people can beat the market. You gotta have a plan. It's got to be written down, and you got to have the discipline to follow it and the conviction to stick with it when the stock market gets scary, and it will from time to time. So, thank y'all for watching. Leave me a thumbs up on your way out. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.